Today I show you how can I bypass iPhone 6 ISO iOS 12.1 12.5.1 with SIM bypass. So today I show you how can I bypass that. Guys, first open Chakran 0.11.0. So first connect your mobile and DP mode. Wait guys, that phone is stop. So guys, wait till that phone is going to recovery mode. So now guys, open the Chakran, start. So first then remove the power button. Now your phone is on recovery mode. So wait just a minute. It's booting. So now your phone is on booting. Now your mobile is jailbroken. So it is done. Stop. Open your unlock tool, then go to passcode, then backup passcode. So I already backup that SN number. After that you can reset your phone. That your phone is going to reset. Now we will waiting for that phone is going to see that's going to reset now. So wait 5 minutes or 4 minutes. You can wait, your phone will be restarting. See guys, that phone is going to reset now. So we will wait up to that phone is restarting. See guys, this is going to finish now. See guys, that's finished now. That is going to finish. So that's finished now. You guys see that phone is finished. So see guys, that phone is restored now. So we will connect and turn it on that. So we will see that phone have Apple ID. So guys, see that phone? It have iCloud. It's taking some minutes. It is a net problem. So see guys, that phone have iCloud. Now we will bypass with SIM. So I will show you how can I bypass with SIM. So now guys, connect your phone. Then next, that your phone is going to on recovery mode. So guys, see. Now next, hold the power button with home button. Release power button and hold the home button. That phone is going to recover mode. Now it's going to jailbreak. That's booting now. Now it is done. Stop. Reset and backup. We reset and backup position. We reset and backup. Now restore the backup. See guys. That's restoring the phone. That's done. Now that is done. So we will wait till that phone is going to finish. See guys, still waiting for some minutes. So we are restore and it's all finished. See guy, that is finished now. We will wait 5 minutes or 6 minutes. That phone will be on. See guys. See guys, that phone is finished now. We will active now the phone. Cancel. Afghanistan. Next button. See guys. See guys, it's finished now. Start the phone. See guys, it's not taking the SIM. Now I will put the SIM card for that. See guys, it's taking now the SIM card. See guys, this phone is finished. See guys, that is taking SIM. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks so much, and subscribe and like my videos.